This is a tutorial on how to sharpen CHAOBA. Can you see it? This is CHAOBA, very strong blade. You can see the way they have used it. They've used it dull, very rough. You can see it now. This area, this black area is down totally, the inside of that small blade. Then look at the second one. This is GTS. Just watch the inside. You can see it. Very rough. So I want to show you how to sharpen the two clipper blade very fast with your super hard manual sharpening stone. I want to show you now what sharper can do. You can still use your manual sharpening, super hard manual sharpening stone to do better. Let us go into the field now. Number one thing you have to do is to apply the masking tape at the back of the blade. This type of clipper blade, the way it has been used on now, if somebody is not an expert, real professional in sharpening of the clipper blade, you have to use some hours to sharpen this type of clipper blade on the stone. But once you know your way out, you are going to maneuver your way out to make the time shorter so that it won't waste much of your time. That is number one. It will not consume your materials, your solutions. It will not consume your solutions. This is what I call griding. So when you apply the masking tape at the back, you are putting the grid to allow your thumb to have full control over the movement of the clipper blade. Now I want to start with the soft. I want to use the soft smooth surface to sharpen the upper two clipper blades. I want to start from the upper clipper blade. So when you want to sharpen for two sets of clipper blade or more than that, you first start from the upper clipper blade. You can start from upper clipper to make your work faster. So I'm treating the surface, I'm preparing the surface of the stone I want to use. You blow it so that the kerosene will mix together. Let us start from the GTS upper clipper blade. Let me show you before we go. You can see the surface. The mouth has bent. This area is not flattened again. It has curved out. I'm sharpening for one side. I'm sharpening for the other side too. Let me clean it and show you the inner part of it. Yeah, let me show you. Can you see this one has been sharpened correctly? It has been sharpened correctly. You can see it. So let me put this one down. When you have sharpened it finished, you put it in this way. So let me treat the stone for the second blade. This one is for the CHAOBA. Can you see this one self has bent out? They've repackaged it. You see it? That is to and fro 20 times each for one side. 20 times to and fro each for one side. Let me still repeat this one 5 times. Making 25 each for one side. So let me show you now. Can you see it now? It has been sharpened correctly. You can see it. You see it. So let me drop this one down. When you sharpen it, drop it in this way. Now I want to go for the bottom clipper blade. I want to start from GTS. You see the inside? It has been used rough. So let us start from the GTS clipper blade. So we are using this stone. Let's leave this one. This one is smooth surface. I'll use this one for the upper clipper blade. So let me bring this one here. This one here. This one here. This one here. We are going to use this quartz surface stone. Quartz surface. So to make the work faster, so that we should not delay our time. I'm activating the surface of the stone. I'm activating the surface of the stone. I'm blowing it so that the solution can mix together very well. Just a minute. So let us start from the GTS clipper blade. This is GTS. You can see it. This is GTS. You see the inside. You see very, very thick, heavy. You see it. It's not easy to sharpen. But let us go. Let me clean it and wash the surface. Now I'll show you where the work has reached. I'll show you now. Watch carefully. Look at this area. The stone has not touched that black area. That is the only place remain for the stone to touch. You can see it in that way. Look at it. This area. I want to show it properly. Yeah, you can see it in this way. You can see it. Yeah, you can see it in that way, that black area. This area. This area. Let us clean and wash. Let me show you. Let me get it closer to the camera. So can you see now? You can see it. This clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. It doesn't waste much time at all. Once you know how to design your stone, you know how to activate the surface of your stone. You see, this is for the bottom clipper blade. Let me bring the upper clipper blade. You can see it. This is the upper clipper blade, so inner surface. Can you see shining across and flattening? Then let me put the two together so that I can watch it. You can see it. So you see two things inside: flatness and the total shining across. You can see it. This is for the GTS clipper blade. This is for the GTS clipper blade. You can see it. GTS clipper blade. So let us do for the CHAOBA. See the CHAOBA. It has been used roughly. You can see it. So let us, this one too. This one is a new blade, but have been used, overused. Just clean and wash now. Let us clean and wash the inside. For this kind of blade, if you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, it used to waste time. Can you see the stone has worked here, here and here? Remain inside of small blade. Let me show it for you very well. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Remain the inside of this small blade. This inside is down too much. Let us go quick so that don't waste much of our time. Don't waste our time. Let us clean and wash. This clipper blade is overused. But I'm telling you sincerely, if you don't know much about sharpening clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening stone, you cannot sharpen it very fast, and it's going to take much of your time. It has been overused, used to damage, used to condemn. That is how they use clipper blade in my environment. I will show you after this one. I'll show you. Let me show you so you can see the difference that is there. Can you see that? Look at this area. This area. Can you see the work has work? The stone has worked on it very well. This area. Can you see it like this? But when you see the inner side of this small blade, it's very down. It's too down. So we have to bring this area, this shiny area down again to meet the level of this inner surface of the small blades. Yeah, just watch again. So I will still show you so that you can be able to see the progress. This sharpening I'm doing, this one is not easy to sharp. So when you watch carefully now, look at this here towards the head here. The mean towards the head. Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Mo ní 200 wá. So can you see it now? I want to fashion it so that you can see exactly what I'm here. You can see it just in form of rectangular form in the front here. You see it? So let us still go another time again. Mo wá mo ṣe lórí dákun. Ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ bí níbẹ̀ yẹn ni. I'm blowing to make the solution to cover, or you use your finger to make it cover very well. So let's still go another time again. Can you see the masking tape has soaked? You see it has removed. So before you put another one, you clean the blade very well. You clean the chemical at the back very well. But I will show you before. I will show you the inner part before we go further. Can you see that it's progressing? Can you see that black area? This area is down. That front one is just like step. If you look at it very well, in form of step. They've overused the clipper blade. Overused. They're supposed to have sharpened it like 10 times. The packaging. So you have to clean the bag very well, so that to allow the masking tape to stay at the back because of the chemical. Because of the chemical. Ọ̀rẹ́ ẹsẹ̀ náà mo ń ṣe o. Ẹ ti lò rọ́ọ̀fù gan ni o. Ẹ ti lò rọ́ọ̀fù gan. Just clean and watch again. Just clean and observe the inside. It's too much down. I'm telling you sincerely, it's too much down. Though I've covered this side, remain here. Let me show you. It's too much down. I've covered this side up. I've covered here, but when you look at the front here, this front, the front is down. From here, it's down. The front is down in form of step to here, but this one has been clear off. This one has been sharpened correctly. Remain here like this. Let us go again. Just clean and wash. Let me still repeat it another time again. Let me still repeat it again. Before I now show you used to reckless. Still remains small. Remains small. Can you see again? The masking tape was removed. Daniel. So let me show you now. Let us watch now. Look at the inside. We have gotten the total shedding across and total flatness. You can see it. So let me test it. This is CHAOBA, very strong blade to sharp. This is CHAOBA. remain small. So can you see it now? So when you can sharpen your clipper blade and you test, you get this kind of sign, which means you have sharpened it correctly, logically, technically. Okay, this one is going to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. You can see it. You see it in that way. So let me test for the second one. The first one I've sharpened. You know, I did not test for this one. I always show you like this. Let me check. Remain small. You can see it again. If you can sharpen your clipper blade and you test and you get this kind of sign, you are really professional in sharpening. This one is going to work like a new clipper blade, or even better than the new clipper blade. Can you see it? So that is how to sharpen for CHAOBA clipper blade. This is GTS. The first one is CHAOBA. So you can see it.